recording here because some people might want to have a specific discussion of window management in AnyLogic. AnyLogic's interface is embedded within what's called the Eclipse framework. And if anyone here is from a software background, you may know that Eclipse is one of the most popular editors in the world for doing editing for software development. And this is Eclipse. This is AnyLogic is built atop the Eclipse RCP framework, and it permits us to use window management per Eclipse. And we talked about some of the basic features like double-clicking on this to resize it. But another nice feature, and the ability to enable and disable windows from this menu. But another nice feature is the ability to drag windows around. So we can sort of reconfigure this space to be per our needs, okay? So you can drag this window and dock it at any number of different places per your interest. So if you want to see palette, for example, not shown continuously, so you don't have to switch back and forth, you could do something like this, drag it down there. You could take the log and put it in a separate window, or you could eliminate the log altogether. You could take the console and combine it together with the properties window or what have you. So you can turn them from a state where they're just different tabs to where they're sort of a standalone tab in a window that's a solitude unto itself. So window management within this can be quite helpful to kind of manage your screen real estate. Occasionally you'll get stuck in a situation where you don't know what's happened. I'll give you an example. Here's the console, and I'm going to do this minimize. Boom. And now it seems to have disappeared. But if I go look here, I can re-enable it, but it doesn't seem to have come back. So where is that? Where is that console? It seems to be okay. Now it came back. But where did it go here? Well, actually, it can go down here when they're minimized, like the properties window. I guess I minimized properties. And it's confusing because it says properties is displayed. I can disable it and re-enable it. Now it pops back. But while it's there, it's actually hard to view, but it's down here. And so by clicking it, this just means it's minimized. And you restore it. Now you have console back and you drag them back. So sometimes when they're minimized, they kind of hide themselves off in the corner of the screen here. It's a little bit confusing. Similarly, like when I call up example models here, I can minimize it, and that's what's down here, these example models, and I can click restore, and now it will come back as a window. I hope those are some helpful comments on window management. Okay. Great. Any other questions? Okay. Well, I always welcome questions. I think they're really valuable for helping me understand student needs and being able to